So this is my Sears 10XL project I've been working on. It's been running good, driving good. I kind of have the drive belt issue figured out for now. I still think the belt's a little bit too big. It might be slipping a little bit, but it's working for now. So I got a couple things I got to do. I have the seat is loose. I only had one nut in my whole garage that would fit the seat, so I went and got 2 locking nuts and some washers, and so I'll get that tightened up. I got a tractor steering knob. I love these. This particular kind. There's other kinds that I often see at Tractor Supply, but I don't like the older style, so I put those on everything. I got one on my Coyote, one on my other Sears. They're handy, so I'm gonna throw that on. And then a while back I bought a 5-gallon pail full of these old chains for, I think it was like 10 bucks. Bought them online, and there were supposed to be 2 sets of chains, one big set and then a set of chains that fit the 23 by 8.5 by 12 wheels that are on the back there, but it only came with one. It's not a set, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. The other set of chains almost fits that rear wheel size, but I think these are actually for like a case 444 or something like that, with the big rims on the back. Not really sure. They're not big enough for like a subcompact. So I know they go to some type of garden tractor, but if I really had to, I could probably cut these and make them work on this rim. I'll look at it here soon in a bit. And then I also have a set of wheel weights that came off of my Simplicity Landlord. Pretty much traction and weight is kind of the last issue that I'm having with this. So I think if I get that figured out, then it'll work a lot better. So I'm just gonna kind of start doing things here. Suppose I'll start with the easy stuff. Much better. Cool. So I was just looking at these chains. I think I have them inside out. So I think I might trim these chains down a little bit. I'm going to take the rim off of the hub so then I can move it around a little bit easier. I really don't want to have to buy any more chains for this thing. I got such a good deal anyways that I might as well just trim them. So I cut each one of these chains, and I cut them in a way that if you add one link, you can actually, you know, like an adjustable link or a removable link, you can put these back together and these chains will work on whatever they originally meant for. So I didn't really ruin them, but I cut them just enough that I could somewhat get these on there somewhat tight. They're still a little bit loose, but I'll probably have to get some of those things you add in the middle that tighten it up just a little bit. And I did air down the tires even though they don't look like it, so maybe when I air them back up they'll tighten up a little bit more. But I'm going to throw these on, add some air, and then put the weights on. So I'm using these wheel weights off the Simplicity. I'm not going to paint them or anything. I'm going to leave them the way they are since they belong to the landlord. Sweet. It's not pretty, but they're on there, so definitely some more weight on there. There's always a time every fall where I'll be messing around and I'll just push around a little bit of dirt. And oftentimes there's a day where you push dirt for the last time before it freezes. And it's supposed to start getting pretty chilly this upcoming work week, so it might all freeze up, and that could be the last time that I push some crap around. But yeah, the chains definitely make a difference, but they are a little loosey-goose. So I'm gonna need to get some tighteners. I'll grab some of those one of these days when I stop at Tractor Supply. But it's running good. The winch is working good, and I do need to tighten down this tractor knob a little bit more. I hate it when it does that. It does not do that on my other ones. So yeah, but anyways, so at least I got the weights and chains and seat and tractor knob on there today, so I feel like I did something. But I'll be sure to update you on the chains when I get that figured out a little bit, and maybe even move some snow with it in a few weeks. Who knows? Thanks for watching.